We catch thieves in the act. Today, security is a necessary part of everyone's life. Sting Surveillance provides a level of security unmatched in the industry using the most advanced technology. This video will introduce you to our services and the advantages we offer clients. Protect your family, home, and business.
There just isn't a complete entity, someone who can not only supply the surveillance and the alarm and the monitoring systems, but also the rapid deployment needed. Sting actually is the first company that really addresses all of those components. I'm blown away by the quality of their video, the quality of their response time, the quality of their technicians installing the systems, ensuring that they're functioning and operating properly. They really are the complete package.
When I was building the World Market Center back in 2004, I contacted Jonathan and we arranged for Jonathan to supply the security cameras to the first building. And since then has now completed the second building and just completed an entire control room and a whole master security system at the entire World Market Center.
In one facility is 4 million square feet where they have 480 cameras. The blueprints are all mapped out with where the cameras are, and they are now looking at a giant screen that has the different floors mapped out with the cameras on each floor.
Sting has helped us greatly in the acquisition of my apartment projects because we've purchased 6 projects in the last 15 months, about 2,000 units, all in the Las Vegas Valley. And the first thing we do is we bring in Sting. We had someone put a sock bomb in our rental box where the people pay their rent, and they caught him on tape. And we didn't know who he was because he had a little hoodie on. But Jonathan watched the tape and he saw him throw a plastic cup into the bush before he got to the rent box, and Jonathan said, "Get that cup," and the cup had his fingerprints on it, and they were able to get him. So it's it's amazing what these cameras can pick up.
Our systems interface the cameras, the digital recorders with the alarm, and when an alarm is triggered, instantly we see the cause of that alarm. If it's the glass being broken, if it's someone kicking the door in, we can actually alert the police, who will respond right away. We'll actually see the video and have a police response before a traditional alarm company would actually see the alarm coming in.
As we start with a great technology, a great platform, and we build upon that, and that's why we're able to give quality image, just the box itself. I mean, it's so user-friendly. It's just a great platform to use.
The way we embrace technology, not shy away from it. We are always looking for the newest, best possible way to implement our security, and it comes down to who's going to be there, who's going to service and support your system if you do have any issues. We're here today, we're here tomorrow, we're here next year. We're not going anywhere. We have very, very local roots here, and plan on it just growing and expanding.
To learn more about our security options, visit this website. We'll also answer any question you have online. To schedule a free home or business estimate, call us toll-free at 1-866-84-STING. Sting Surveillance Systems. We'll be watching you.